Crystal. Welcome to Crystal's Creations. Are the elements taking a toll on your skin? If so, you might want to try a salt scrub. If you've been following me, you know that dry and sensitive skin is a challenge. So today, I'm going to make a quick, easy scrub that you might want to try. This is a small amount that you can make just to see if you like it. The mixture is basically 3 parts salt and 1 part oil. I'm going to use 2 ounces of pink Himalayan salt and 1 ounce of Epsom salt, which is technically not a salt at all, but I really like the way it works. I'm going to add all 3 salts to this small dish. That's 2 ounces of the pink Himalayan salt and another ounce of Epsom salt. And I'm just going to mix this together. Now you can use whatever salt and combination you think you might enjoy. Normally, I'd add several drops of an essential oil, and I was waiting on my lavender, but unfortunately with shipping delays, it has not arrived yet. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few drops of a skin-safe fragrance oil. Not too much. And we'll just give that a stir. All right, we'll go ahead and add the oil mixture to the salt mixture. Make sure we get it all out. You just want to mix in the oil until there are no more dry spots remaining in your salt. Now, I used a combination of extra virgin olive oil, organic extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. Experiment. Try substituting sweet olive oil, jojoba oil, or butters like shea and avocado. Tweak the recipe until you find one that works for you. Once everything is all mixed, I suggest grabbing a pretty container, trying to get it in as neatly as possible. And once this is full, you're all set. Please be sure to try your scrub on a small area before you use it on more sensitive skin. I'm not a doctor, clearly, but better safe, particularly if you're sensitive. The salt works as an exfoliant, and from what I understand, pink Himalayan salt has up to 84 minerals, such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium. I use it by just placing the scrub mixture on a clean cloth, making sure that my skin is moist, and rubbing gently. And then I rinse really well. I'm also very careful when I get out of the bathtub. Because of the oil, it can be a little slippery, so be very careful if you decide to try this. When you're happy with the consistency and you get it all in your pretty container, you can go ahead and close it up, and you're ready to go. This is a really nice way to enjoy a luxurious feeling bath. There are recipes all over the internet. Do a little research of your own to see if a homemade soap scrub is right for you. Thank you for joining me.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love